Wondering what you could expect from a jury research project? Here is Florida attorney E.T. Fernandez describing his first experience at a first court research
I was
trial.
so impressed. All of the tables were set up. There were laptops there already set up. I mean, everything had been wired, and you could tell it was ready to go. And you could tell you guys had done your homework, and certainly the labor part, well in advance, so that when everybody walked in, it was really an impressive look. I mean, it looked serious. It looked genuine. It was completely set up. You guys came in later that morning and had nothing to do other than tell people where to sit, and then they took off. You should be proud of it.
After the parties are introduced, we start with opening arguments.
Treating patients on his own.
I don't know if Mike told you later, but I literally stopped him in the presence of everybody later that evening and said, I want some more information about you guys because I would recommend you above any other organization I've ever seen, and I've seen dozens of them over the years.
Between every presentation and witness, we collect written responses from jurors, which we watch in real time on your first court laptop.
Of all the things that took place, serious, that was the neatest function. I mean, I'll tell you, I don't know how many mock trials I've done over my 30-plus years of being a trial lawyer. That feature, that software program that you've got, that instantaneous feedback from every single juror who wanted to make a comment, was the part that was the most impressive part of everything that I saw.
Then parties give their closing arguments.
Some of these people, and you didn't get to hear all of their credentials, but some of them have more degrees than a thermometer, and they can't agree on what's wrong with her or what's causing it, but they're going to put that burden on you. And why? $7.5
There was an issue that probably within 30 days of getting the case for the defense, I seized on and I thought would be an important issue. And to get some kind of validation that it was not only the big deal I thought it was a bigger deal than I thought it was, but more importantly, for those 6+ years, I can't tell you how many other people, lawyers, everybody across the board was telling me it would never be a big deal. And uniquely to all three of the individual jurors that were involved, it was a huge deal.
The trial ends with 3 6-person juries deliberating to a verdict in 3 separate rooms. Clients watch these deliberations in real time on closed-circuit monitors.
If that was her last resort.
If it was her last resort, but they didn't. What the result?
It always surprises me in mock trial settings when somebody's done their homework like you guys have, and you've really gone and gotten a good cross-section of what we realistically expect to see on the panel. They have a tendency to take it far more serious than sometimes I think we give them credit for taking it. I mean, you get what is more representative of a good working class group of people in the real world, in the real settings, and I've tried over 100 jury trials, so trust me when I tell you, I know what to expect and what we typically see, and this group looked exactly like them.
We hope this has given you a good understanding of what to expect from a well-designed jury research project. Litigants today have many ways to get great feedback from lay people. We are happy to set forth those options for you and to answer any questions you may have.